Are you concerned about your heart health as you cross 40? Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is vital for a long, active life. Today, we are conducting a scientific and honest review of Cholibrium, a supplement designed to support cardiovascular wellness naturally. Cholibrium Review. Is it the right choice for your heart? Let's dive into the science behind this mushroom-based formula. Imagine enjoying your golden years with vitality. This senior is staying active, proving that heart health is the foundation of freedom. Before we begin, check the official link in the description below to ensure you get the genuine product and current discounts. So, what exactly is Cholibrium? It's a premium supplement focused on managing cholesterol using a blend of 10 specific mushroom extracts. These aren't your average mushrooms. We're talking about potent extracts like reishi, lion's mane, and cordyceps, sourced from pristine natural environments. The formula provides comprehensive heart support by focusing on blood flow and cellular health using 100% natural, non-GMO ingredients. By improving circulation, these extracts help ensure that your cardiovascular system works efficiently, reducing the strain on your heart daily. Ingredients like shiitake and chaga are well documented for their ability to support the body's natural defense mechanisms and lipid metabolism. This synergy doesn't just help the heart, it also provides a metabolic boost that many users report leaves them feeling more energized. Safety is paramount. Cholibrium is produced in a GMP Certified facility, ensuring every bottle meets rigorous quality and purity standards. Let's weigh the pros and cons. The primary benefits include the non-GMO formula and a remarkable 365-day money-back guarantee. However, remember, it's not a magic pill. Consistency is key, and you must be wary of fake websites selling counterfeit bottles. I cannot stress this enough. Only buy through the official site to ensure safety. Many third-party sellers do not offer the guarantee. Final verdict: Cholibrium is a solid science-backed option for those seeking a natural path to better heart health. It's about more than just numbers. It's about having the energy to hike, cycle, and enjoy life with those you love. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health reviews. Click the link below to start your heart health journey. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.